In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your screen on Google Meet step by step so you can confidently present your work, a slide deck, or anything else on your computer. First, let's start by joining your Google Meet. Open your browser and go to your Google Meet link, or join from your calendar invite or Google Meet homepage. When you see the meeting preview, check your camera and microphone if you'd like, and then click the button to join the meeting. Once you're inside, you should see yourself and any other participants, along with the control bar at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. To start sharing your screen, look for the option labeled Present Now. It's usually found in the toolbar at the bottom of the Meet window on a computer. Go ahead and click Present Now. This button is your main control for screen sharing inside Google Meet. After clicking Present Now, you'll be given a few choices for what you want to share. You'll see options like your entire screen, a window, or a tab. These choices are important because they control what other people in the meeting can see. If you choose to share your entire screen, everyone in the meeting will see everything that appears on that screen or monitor. This is useful if you plan to switch between several apps or windows during your presentation. Just keep in mind that any notifications or pop-ups on that screen might also be visible, so it's a good idea to close anything private or mute notifications before you start. If you select the option to share a window, Google Meet will show you a list of open application windows on your computer. This might include things like your slide deck, a document, or another app. Pick the specific window you want to present. This keeps the rest of your desktop hidden, which can help you stay focused and protect your privacy. You can also choose to share a tab. This is especially useful if you're presenting something in your browser, like a website or an online tool. When you select a tab, you'll see a list of all your open tabs, and you can click the one you want to share. Often there's an option to share tab audio as well, which is helpful if you're playing a video or any sound from that tab. Once you've decided what you want to share and selected it, click the Share button. After you click Share, your screen, window, or tab will become visible to everyone in the meeting. On your side, Google Meet usually shows a small preview or an indicator so you know that you're presenting. Take a quick moment to confirm that what's being shared is exactly what you intended. While you're sharing, you can still talk, move through your slides, scroll, or switch content inside the window or tab you selected. Participants will see your changes in real time. If you need to stop presenting at any point, look for the Stop Sharing or Stop Presenting button in your Meet controls or on the small banner that appears in your browser. That's all there is to it. By joining the meeting, clicking Present Now, choosing between your entire screen, a window, or a tab, and then clicking Share, you'll be able to present smoothly in Google Meet whenever you need.